This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing data and lightweight tooling so you can iterate fast. Collect 1000 plus labeled segments and extract audio energy, motion vectors, and CNN frame embeddings because they capture salience. Once labeled, partition 70/15/15 to avoid leakage, and set up a baseline 1 DCNN or small transformer to predict highlight probability. This gives you a working pipeline immediately. You'll refine features and architecture after validating that the baseline learns useful patterns. Next, focus on multimodal fusion and robust training to lift performance. Concatenate audio, motion, and vision embeddings and apply temporal pooling over half-second windows so short events are preserved. Then augment with time shift, noise, and speed changes, and address class imbalance using focal loss or oversampling. This prevents bias toward non-highlights. Once done, use learning rate warm-up and reduce on plateau, and monitor average precision and recall at top K to ensure the model prioritizes true highlights. Finally, convert predictions into clean highlights and validate with users. Apply temporal non-maximum suppression, smooth probabilities, and merge adjacent high-prob segments to produce coherent clips. Then run human review and a/B tests measuring precision at K and engagement to iterate. If results lag, inspect labels for noise, try overfitting a small subset to debug, and add contextual features like scoreboard or commentator excitement. Make sure to retrain after label fixes to lock in improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.